Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So, are you thinking about making money from home and you don't know what to start with? I can help a little out. Do you know you can copy every single trade I do with binary option together with me? I am pretty successful and have a very good win rate. Yes, I am not building an account from $10 to 50 million in 1 week like many of the other YouTubers, but I'm a real one. I've been trading live now for 2 years and you can follow my trades. As you can see up here now, I have a balance of 79,000. I did build that up from $100. Of course, this will take me 2 years, but it's steady growth. So if you're looking for real results and you want to trade together with a professional that have been doing this for a very long time, I am the one for you. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a live stream from me, and make sure you sign up with this broker. You find a link below the video, and if you use my link you will find yourself a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. The promo code is basically Alpha One. So I trade every Monday to Friday, so if you sign up today with this broker you can follow my trades already tomorrow. I hope you enjoy it, and I really hope I can see you in the live stream tomorrow. I'd love to see that people that I trade with have some success. So keep me posted also about your winning trades and things. It's very simple to follow my trades. I explain everything while I'm trading. So once again, I really hope I see you in my live stream tomorrow so we can make some money together. So with that, have an amazing day.